In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make exponents in Google Docs. This process is quite simple and can be a huge time saver if you're working with mathematical notations or any scientific documentation. Let's dive right in to understand how we can achieve this in a few straightforward steps. First, you'll need to open up Google Docs. You can do this by navigating to docs.google.com in your web browser. Once you're there, click on the document you want to work on. You can select an existing document you've been working on, or you might decide to start with a new one. It's entirely up to you. Now, when your document is open, locate the section where you want to include your exponent, find the point where you need to type your equation, and simply click there. Suppose your equation includes an exponent. Say something like 10 squared, you would just type the base number or letter at this point. Next, to transform the numerical or alphabetical part that you want to be in exponent form, highlight it. For instance, if it's going to be a squared value, you should highlight the number 2, which you want to appear as a superscript or exponent. With your intended exponent highlighted, glance toward the top of your Google Docs screen and click on the Format tab in the menu bar. A drop-down will appear. Here, you need to hover over Text, which will give you another set of options to choose from. Among these, look for Superscript and select it. What this does is elevate the highlighted text slightly above the line of text, giving you that small raised number, which is exactly what exponents look like. Let's recap. The key actions involved include highlighting the part of your equation you want as an exponent, accessing the Format menu, going into the text options, and finally choosing Superscript. It's amazing how within just a couple of clicks, you can format your document with proper notations that look neat and professional. And there you have it. Your equation should now have nicely formatted exponents exactly where you need them. Remember, if you need to apply this formatting to other parts of your text, you'll repeat the same process. This concludes our guide on making exponents in Google Docs. It's such a handy tool for anyone involved in roles requiring precise text formatting, or students needing to type out math assignments. Be sure to practice these steps a couple of times and you'll be a pro at implementing this formatting in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.